But anyways, guys, I wanted to show you some horsepower shit that's going on here, because I need to show you some horsepower shit, guys. And I've been working my ass off, and I figured, you know what, it's time to show some things here, some progress. You know what I mean? Like the Integra. No, I'm just lying. Not the Integra. Not the Integra. You shut up. Don't make me come over here. Do not make me step off. Oh, shut up. All right, guys. Here is. Well, here it is. 2017 ZL1 Camaro with all kinds of fun mods. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a freaking awesome day, because we are. I'm here with Zach. He's home.
I'm not home.
He's home.
I'm not home.
He's home.
I'm not home.
He's home.
It's a fucking lie.
Good old Zach is home. Don't
lie.
mind what's on the table. We'll talk about that in a little bit. They're Nerf guns. We got Nerf guns on the table. Fake gun, fake gun.
Just look into my eyes. Don't look at those. Make eye contact.
Zach is home from California for the Christmas holiday. And New Year's, obviously. He's been here a few days now already. And we're just out here having some fun with his friends.
Yep, Caleb, yep.
Yep. You got an Instagram?
Yeah, Caleb Webb.
What the fuck?
It's just Caleb with a K, but then it's two E's.
Yeah, yep.
And then Webb is two B's.
So we're doing some shenanigans. As you can see, we have a Jimny over here from Japan.
If y'all have watched the channel before, you should know the Jimny.
This is just going to be a shit show video, guys. So yeah. It's not going to be anything interesting. Oh, by the way, I am going to mention something. Streetspeed717.
Oh, yeah.
Streetspeed717. As you guys know, he has a ZL1, a green ZL1 on his channel right now that he's raffling off. That was tuned by Jeremy from Auto. But if you look on my channel, it was built by me. Yep, you're right. I built that DFR freaking 900 horsepower ZL1 Camaro, guys. So if you haven't gone over there and bought freaking something off of the InChain Designs freaking website, go do that now. I'm actually promoting their fucking giveaway. Yeah. I'm promoting Mike's giveaway at this point.
Moto.
What the freak? I'm literally promoting his giveaway. But yeah, I went and bought something, because that car is badass. But if you look back on my videos probably a year ago, that green Camaro is on there, me putting the 2650 Magnuson supercharger on it and all that stuff. So that was a pretty cool build. The customer was really happy with it when I built it for that customer, but it's been, you know, out of his hands for a while, and Mike ended up buying it, which I was very surprised about. I'm actually really happy that Mike has it and made it a giveaway car. It's a badass build, guys, and it makes almost 900 wheel horsepower. And the thing, it's just an amazing car, very low mileage. If you haven't bought anything from InChain Designs website, go over to their site, buy something, and have a chance to win a really badass DFR built, Jeremy from Auto Faster Proms tuned 6th gen ZL1 Camaro, guys, with a 26 Magnuson. It is a heads cam car, custom DFR cam, custom CNC heads on it, Cook's headers, full compliant exhaust, 2650 Magnuson supercharger, and I think it's on low boost, and it's running a 112 or 113 K-Tech throttle body as well on that sucker, with a Rotofab coder intake, if I remember correctly, when we built that car. But it is a badass build. So there's my advertisement for Streetspeed717. I hope he's happy.
Buy
there's
a
Zach.
sticker.
Buy
a sticker. Buy a sticker.
Zach's on moto right now. But we're here.
Zach's all fucking cold right now.
We're not shooting guns, but I got my AR out. Zach's got his AR out. We got a few other toys here, Nerf guns, and we're just having some fun.
Were here when we got here.
Yeah, we do not own these.
I have not ran a single round through this.
I don't know what's going on here. But yeah, we're down here just having some fun, and freaking George wanted to bring the Jimny in. This is a.
Hey, listen, if y'all go on Instagram and follow him, because he is.
What's his Instagram?
It should be on there. It's like it's called.
It is a turbo. That's a badass
this is like
ride.
A dead ass imported Jimny.
Right hand drive too.
For you,
what's your Instagram, George?
Clapped Jap.
Wait, what is it?
It's clapped Jap cars.
Clapped Jap cars.
Yes, because this is clapped automobile.
Yeah, but this is a badass freaking rig right here, and he's gonna have a little fun with it today.
Off-road maniac.
Off-road maniac.
89mm turbo.
I wish I had the turbo here. It's like that big.
It's like he said it's like the size of an apple.
Yeah, it's a fucking tiny little turbo.
That's your piston.
That was
dude. That is the fucking piston of this truck.
3 of those little bad boys.
Look at that thing. That thing is tiny as hell.
It's an off-road menace.
Here we go.
Yeah. Scale.
That's for scale, guys. It's a freaking Mountain Dew bottle and a piston.
Yo,
Crazy.
he has fucking AEM gauges in here and shit.
There you go.
Fuck yeah, I
Got the AEM boost gauge and freaking air fuel gauge. Ready to rock and roll.
Is that a sound bar?
Yeah, it is.
Wait, are you going through the woods?
Yeah, that's the golf cart. Diablo Formula Racing.
All right, let's get the diesel. Get the Duramax now.
It's funny because it's actually clean as fuck.
I know. We're gonna pop the hood on this thing after all that excitement, guys. Let's take a look at this.
Nice truck.
We want to see this powerhouse down here.
What year Jeep Wrangler?
We got this
is
freaking powerhouse.
Jeep Liberty.
It's a Jeep Liberty, my bad.
That little thing. Look at the intake hose. It's an inch and a half in diameter.
Hey, look at this jack right here.
That's the engine. That red cover is about as big as that engine's going to be.
Yeah, it's a little
You got
longer
freaking
than this.
dial of death on her.
Yeah, a little boost controller on her.
Look at this thing. Oh my
The
god.
alternator.
Yeah, a little.
Oh, I know what this is for.
Oh yeah.
I know what that is for.
Bit cold.
Yeah. I think are you leaking fuel?
It's like in a little bit of.
Yeah, I see that.
hose.
Coolant fuel something. Yeah, that's a motorcycle engine.
Just a little guy.
That's crazy.
Little top mount intercooler.
Yeah.
No, don't show them that.
He just wrecked the fucking brake.
Here's a blow off valve, dude. It's like brum, 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 and it's moving 5 feet a minute.
Okay, George, let's fucking do it.
Where we took over.
Oh, what the fuck?
That little thing is getting it. That little thing is getting it, guys. It is getting it. I'm so surprised it's not flipping over.
No damn well Jeep would have flipped by now.
Dude, a Jeep would have been rolling.
Not a fuck given.
Yeah, for real. It's like disappearing.
Triple digits of boost. I'm kidding.
Oh man, guys, just a fun little day doing bullshit. Basically, we're going to Waffle House now because we're hungry. We're gonna go eat some Waffle House.
Hair's all fucked up. I feel improper.
But Zach's back. He's back for a little bit. We'll be making some videos with him. I'm sure you guys are excited to see that. That stupid ass fucking impact gloves.
I fucking love my gloves.
Oh my god. Yeah, but just a fun little video, guys, doing dumb shit.
So here's the plan, right? So this morning I went to a little car meet by myself. He didn't come with me, but
Yeah.
he was like, "Hey, let's go shooting today." And I was like,
Yeah, I
sounds
wanted
like
to
a
go
good
shooting.
idea." And it just so happens, as I'm at this car meet, George texts me. He goes, "Hey, I was gonna go shooting today. I know you have your Ford. Do you want to
Yeah.
go over to my buddy's house?"
So that's
my
what we
friend
did.
Caleb. And I was like, "Dude, it's fucking crazy. What a coinky dink." And then
And he calls me. He's like, "Yo, you want to go shoot?" I'm like, "Fuck yeah!"
And then we proceeded to be here till fucking 4:30 p.m. So.
Yeah, exactly. So we had a fun day of shooting, but yeah, now we're going to Waffle House. We're gonna eat some Waffle House.
I have
And
not
end the
had
day.
Waffle House
And end the
since
day.
I was a civilian. The last time I had Waffle House, I was a civilian.
Yeah, he was a civilian last
So
time.
this is gonna be,
It's been
a
months.
new video. Marine reacts to Waffle House first time.
His stomach is probably gonna fucking yell at him for eating Waffle House.
Marine reacts. To Waffle House.
Oh, there it is! There it is! Good old Waffle House.
Shout out the fucking shout out the Jimny, bro.
The Jimny is
fucking
badass.
awesome.
I hope you guys enjoyed the Jimny footage.
Listen,
that
guys,
thing is badass. It really is a badass
Please
vehicle.
go fucking follow George. He is one of the cooler
He has a
people that-
Skyline too.
Yeah, he actually
has a Skyline
him and
as well.
His brother have a, I believe it's an '89 It's a GTST Skyline
Yep.
R32.
Yeah,
And
R32 Skyline,
honestly,
which is really
him and
neat.
his whole family, really cool people. You should go follow him. Do
Go
it for
follow
me.
him.
He is cool.
His
The
Instagram
content
is
he posts is hilarious as well.
Back in my fucking videos.
Yeah, it's clapped Jap cars.
Clapped
but he
Jap
has that.
cars.
He has another one if you're familiar with that.
Oh yeah, there it is. I was like, where is it?
It's
There
called
it
a
is.
Suzuki Samurai. It's another one which he just beats the living shit out of. He
Yeah.
has a Skyline. They've had a lot of cars. So all imported shit.
Cool. You done?
Fucking guess.
Okay. Well, guys, motherfucker. Well, guys, we're gonna end this video because we're almost at Waffle House. We're gonna eat some fucking Waffle House. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was just a stupid little video of doing dumb shit and having a fun little day here. But all right, guys. Well, God, get away from me, man.
He doesn't scare me anymore, my friend.
Shut up. All right, guys. Hope you have a good night. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Put it on all. Put it on all. And deuces, guys.